all about?
What is it all about?
Glad that's
All about? What is it all about?
As I'm disturbed from my slumber,
pour me out like a little teacup.
I gear up, I always
Paws out.
Here's my handle.
pull out my mind.
There's my spout.
1, 2, I flick a switch and I'm ready to fight.
The T reading says shit's gonna get rough.
Coming at you like a Mack truck. Pedal to the metal. Ain't no giving a fuck.
Guns at the ready, shoot. Ain't no giving a fuck. 2 stomps to the head with my thick ass size 10 boot. I write my songs in an empty room, nobody's there. Only friends inside my head. We used to always hang out, we used to dance until we felt dead. Dance until we felt dead.
Take a look at the reflection at the bottom of your cup.
Dance until we felt dead. 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 Dance.
What is this all about?
Life ain't about being wrong or right. It's about doing the right before you're wrong. And right those wrongs before the end. Kind of like a thread. It's weave the web. Service by God. Sometimes it feels like dread. But the heavy hell is down below with the damned. But they're already been dead.
But now that's enough rambling, man.
Just right your wrongs before the end. This is Buffalo Grin. I'll always be your friend. Check it out. I'm always out. Well, boys and girls, I hope you liked that one.